Welcome back, traders. Tonight, I'm excited to continue our trading journey with you, and I'll be analyzing the market in front of you and share my screen so that you can try and get some opportunities to enter the market tonight and see how it goes. So keep it locked. Let's dive into the market and see if there are some opportunities. Well, so I'm looking at Euro USD tonight. Let's set our technical indicators as usual. We'll look at Euro USD, and as we can see, our RSI is on the support, and we're seeing some support level here. So we'll try and find a call option around here if the market allows. If we find an entry here, we'll make a call because market is on the low. On my support level around here. Okay, we've made a call. Let's see how this trade plays out. As we wait for this trade to play out, let's take a closer look at the market trends. Let's look at the general market trend. We can see this market was uptrending, but then it made a nice pullback. So this was a good entry. This was a good moment for us to enter, and then let's wait and see how it plays out in the next couple of seconds, in the next few seconds. Although it's a loss, we'll try and capitalize and try to recover. So I'll double my bet to 3. I'm seeing some interesting pattern here forming, so I'll try to manage my risk and use this martingale so that I'll be able to recover my lost $1 that I lost in the opening trade. So far the market is not giving a proper direction, so not place emotional trades. If you look at my RSI and the Bollinger Band, I'm not getting a nice entry around here because market is a little bit stuck. So I won't be taking a trade around here. Let's try and wait and see. It's very important to place trades calmly without rushing, because in the last trading session you saw how I messed up because of too much greed and over rushing. Okay, let's try to come from the resistance level here and try to find another entry around this resistance, because there's a strong resistance around there and market is not breaking up. So let's try and enter from here. As you all know, guys, trading isn't just about charts and numbers. Sometimes it's also about believing in yourself, having a right mindset and the right psychology. Tonight I'm not trying to achieve much, but I'm trying to stick to my plan and manage myself. So far so good, because throughout the trading session I've not taken high risks and I'm trying to stay calm. And you see, we won this trade that was taken off this resistance. It was really a strong short-term resistance, so it gave us a nice put option and the trade won. So okay, wait and see if we find another entry. I'm glad that I maintained my emotional control tonight and staying focused on the strategy, regardless of the pressure to grow this account. This market is a little bit volatile, and that's the name of the game. As we all know, Euro USD is one of the best pairs to trade in this market. It always gives nice opportunities due to its volatility, and that's the name of the game, volatility. Without volatility, we don't make money. However, I'm not seeing any entries. Market is really falling. We'll try to catch a pullback around there, around this low and maybe come back up with the market. Let's see if we find a nice entry on a pullback. I'm looking for a call option around here because market has really fallen and my RSI is on the lowest level, which gives me a good time to make a call option around here. So let's say it expires in the next few seconds. As you can see tonight, I've really managed my risk, doing good risk management. I'm not taking high bets. I hope it goes well. I hope this put option goes well, as the market was really, excuse me, this was supposed to mean a put option because my RSI was on the lowest level and we never trade against the trend. So I took a right trade and let's see how it plays out in the next few seconds. Okay, our trade won, so try to look for more entries. It's very important to analyze these entries and exits properly because any slight mistake, then you lose the capital. This is why I'm trying to take my trades very carefully and also managing my risk. I'm not taking big bets. I hope we maximize our profits tonight without giving them back to the market. This is the goal for tonight. Any profit made should be taken home, not giving back. Okay, so for $5 up, maintaining the same level of risk, the same level of capital that you're playing with is one of the key factors of discipline in this market. It's not easy, but if you try and perfect that, then you're good to go. I'm not yet good at it, but I hope to get better with time. Let's put a put option. I hope this put option ends well because it was taken on a support level and looks like the market is not going the way it's supposed to go. It was a little bit higher. The risk was a little bit high because I placed it at $4. Okay, $4 down. So fine, and we'll try and look for more opportunities if the market allows. Let's look for an opportunity around this pullback. Sometimes my indicators let me down, but I still don't lose faith in my strategy. So I took this trade based off the RSI, but it let me down. So need to find an entry, a recovery entry. Go. Well, this was a nice move taken off the candle. My candlestick pattern broke out of the small resistance that was around here, so the trade might play out well, although wouldn't have recovered the previous $4 we just lost because I placed at a lower risk of $2 only. So let's wait and see how it goes. I hope to find another entry here to come back up with the market. Oh man, we lost this one. Wow, this market is really volatile. There's no clear direction. It's a little bit choppy. Goes up, comes back down. It's crazy. Okay. Although this trade might win, we are still down because we've lost from 19 to 12. So Although it wins, we still have a lot to do. We still need to recover, at least end the day with a small profit, or maybe protect the capital. That is the goal. The goal is to protect our capital. Risk management is very, very important, especially if you're trading with a small account. You have to manage your risk. There's a nice small pullback here. Looks like the market is coming down. It's really falling. My RSI is also below 50. My Bollinger Bands are not expanding, so maybe I'll look around for another put option because I don't see any call trades around here. As the market has fallen down, I don't want to trade against it. So far, for guys who have been following today's video, you can see today the market is really fluctuating. It doesn't have a clear direction. It goes up and then drops really down. It's really tricky tonight. I hope we shall find a few trades to end the night with a few profits. Even if it's $1 up, doesn't matter. The goal is to protect the capital and keep pushing, come back another time and try. Days are never the same. They're never equal. One day bad, today, tomorrow good. Let's see. I hope I'll find an entry that will put me back up above my beginning capital. Although I want to take it slow, I don't want to rush myself into this. You can see market is now ranging around here. It's not moving. It's not going down. It's not breaking this small short-term resistance here. Well, traders, looks like the market is now becoming unpredictable. It's not giving a clear direction and we don't want to take risks. I don't want to go off plan. I don't want to waste this small capital again. But let me see. Okay, so we're back to break even. We've recovered the few dollars we had lost, and so far come back almost where we began from. So let's see if we find another opportunity before we close off tonight. So if you've been following and if you began from the very beginning, you can see tonight we didn't achieve much. We make a big profits. We've almost been playing around with the same capital we began with, but regardless we move. So I'll find one last more trade, then call it a night. Well, traders, looks like the market is not giving us another opportunity, and looks like I have to end the video. So that's a wrap for today. I hope you found value. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you share some feedback. Your feedback means a lot to me, because if you share your story in the comment section, I really pick up some ideas on how I should do better and how I should improve our trading strategy and grow together. Remember, trading is a journey and we are all in this together, and I hope to continue growing with you. Until the next video, bye bye, cheers.